Today, I'm going to show you how to get your DocuSign certificate of completion. This is incredibly useful when you need proof that a document has been signed and completed, whether it's for legal records, compliance purposes, or simply keeping track of your business transactions. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your details to access your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several options. Click on Agreements. This section houses all your DocuSign documents and gives you access to manage them effectively. Now look at the left sidebar where you'll see various categories. Click on Inbox. This is where all your envelopes are stored, including both completed and pending documents. You'll see a comprehensive list of all the agreements you've been involved with. Next, you need to locate the specific envelope for which you want to download the certificate of completion. Scroll through your inbox until you find it. Once you've identified the correct envelope, look to the right side of that envelope's row where you'll see 3 dotted lines. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select History. This option provides you with detailed information about the envelope's journey, including who signed it and when. In the History view, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Download Certificate. Click on it to initiate the download of your certificate of completion. The system will process this request and save the certificate to your device. Finally, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Download section of your browser. Your downloaded certificate file should appear there. Click on Open to view your certificate of completion immediately. You can now save this file wherever you need it, whether that's in your records folder, email it to a colleague, or print it for physical documentation. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your DocuSign certificate of completion, giving you the proof you need for your completed agreements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.